If you truly believe in crypto, then this is the best time to be buying cryptocurrency. This is at a time when I'm saying millions and millions of Kenyans are losing money in the crypto market. So this is going to be a short video. We're just going to be talking about cryptocurrency market. You know me and my views on crypto. But today I'm going to be the devil's advocate here and say, if you truly believe in crypto and you're not for the hype, then there's a time. If you are fearful now and you're not buying any crypto now, but you were investing before, then you must know that you're not a good investor and you've been investing because of the hype and not because you believe in the crypto for sure. But those who truly believe in crypto, I am expecting you to be buying lots of crypto now. Before we go ahead, let's read this. This is from the Business Daily, I believe. The Business Daily. 4 million Kenyans suffer crypto crash losses. The ongoing meltdown in the cryptocurrency industry could push an estimated 4 million Kenyans who hold the digital assets deeper into losses as the leading crypto Bitcoin struggles to stay above the key level of 2.3 million, an equivalent of $20,000. The crypto market, known for its wild swings, has shed more than half of its value since November last year as investors pulled out money from riskier assets. This has hit estimated 4 million Kenyans, mainly young and small traders, who in the recent years have flocked the cryptocurrencies in the hope of quick returns. Good point. Despite warnings from regulators like the CBK. Okay guys, so that is generally not the issue. The fact is, crypto has lost its value quite fast. Let's look at this. Right now, crypto went up to 17,000. Today, it seems it's going back to around 20,000, but it's struggling to stay above 20,000. Crypto has shed so much. Let's look at 1 year and let's see the peak of crypto. Bitcoin was at highs of 67,000, and right now we're talking about 17,000. That is crazy wild. That is seriously wild. If we look at year to date, let's see how much it has shed year to date. Just look at that. It has shed so much. Okay, so this is what I tell people all the time. Maybe I should put it fully for you so you get to see how much crypto has shed. Look at that. That's a crazy one. Okay, so you've seen that. One thing about crypto, which I do say all the time, is that crypto is volatile. And most people have flocked into crypto, just like you saw in that article, because they want to make quick returns. But those who are really investors and they believe in cryptocurrency, and specifically Bitcoin, and even the others like Ethereum, this is the best time to buy it. Why do I say so? Because the price has gone to a level that nobody would ever imagine. It's come all the way from 67,000. It's lost almost 50 from 67. It's come all the way from 67,000 to right now where it is at 20,000. Bitcoin has lost almost 55% of its market value at that particular time, so from its highest peak. So if you are a real investor, this is an opportunity that you should be running towards this opportunity. Why? Because investors do invest when the market crashes, because you trust that that asset that you're buying is going to rebound and you're going to get a lot of money out of it. These are those times you could look back and say, I did the right thing at the right moment and it paid off, if you trust in crypto. But this is also the time that we're going to know those who truly trust in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin specifically, and those who don't. Okay, so if you are not sure about your trust in cryptocurrency, don't go into it. If you are not thinking about long-term investments, if you're looking for quick returns, if you're going to invest your rent, if you're going to invest any money that you want to use in a few years or a few months, that's not the best place for you. And that's why I always say, be very careful with people who advise you to invest in crypto. However much is hyped and everyone is looking into it, and every young person wants to talk about crypto, every young person wants to invest in crypto, everyone wants to have Bitcoin in their portfolio. I always say one thing: those people who are telling you to invest in cryptocurrency have very large portfolios already. So 90% of their portfolio is not in crypto. So they have maybe 5% of their very large portfolios in crypto, and they tell you to invest in crypto. So if you're investing little amount of money in cryptocurrency, chances are you're going to lose that money. And that's not what you want after saving so much. So if you invested all your income in crypto right now, you know what's happening. It's lost almost everything. And if you invested 100,000 Kenya shillings, 200,000 Kenya shillings, basically you have nothing left. It's shed everything off. If you invested in stable, conservative investments that I talk about all the time in case money matters, probably you'll be in a much better place. And that's why you should always reach out and ask for advice. Right now, as you know, we have a very simple calling service whereby you can just call me on phone for 1 hour and we talk about any issue or any specific problem that you may have, be it loans, be it debt, be it relatives disturbing you, be it any money worries, be it too much expenses, be it too many bills and stuff like that. So you can just call me and we talk about these issues, including crypto issues. You can call me, and if you want to invest in crypto, ask me. Ask someone you can know, some expert. Ask them, is it the right thing to do based on your current portfolio and what you're doing and what your objectives are. So the intention of this video is basically to tell you that there are two things here. Either this is the perfect time for those who want to actually invest in crypto for the long term and get some capital gains out of it, or this is the time for people who invested for the wrong reasons to learn and keep off such assets because they are extremely volatile, and if you do not have the risk aptitude to take that kind of volatility, then there's no need. If you don't have the risk appetite to actually bear that kind of volatility, if you don't have a proper portfolio, you don't have proper assets to take that kind of volatility, I would say keep off cryptocurrency or Bitcoin for now and invest in more stable, predictable assets at the moment, and then later you can move on into crypto by just investing a small part of your portfolio. Don't take all your money, go into crypto with the expectation of making lots of money. People are being scammed through crypto. I did a video recently on the scammers on crypto, and this is something that is continuously happening because people are looking for quick fixes, quick riches. It's not going to happen. So as usual, I'm just reminding you, you have to have that long-term view. You have to know what your objectives are. You have to know what you're investing in, and you have to believe in that investment. You have to have that 100% belief that the investment has some fundamental things that will push the prices up, not just because it's hyped on media, it's hyped by financial analysts, it's hyped by people around you or your environment. You have to believe in whatever you're investing in, and that is the main intention of me doing this video. Not because people lost money or people are losing money on crypto, but because there's an opportunity for those who want to learn and for those who want to invest for the long term to actually get some Bitcoin. Because nobody knew Bitcoin would go from 67,000 to 17,000 and now it's at 20. Probably still gonna go lower because we just entered the bear market. This might go on for a long time. This might go on up to around October as predicted by financial analysts. We never know. Again, we also just making predictions based on past performance, based on history, but we never know how long the bear market could go. We never know how deep this trough could be, but whatever it is, if you believe in a particular asset, this is a perfect time to actually buy those assets. This is a perfect time to actually invest because you could end up having an amazing returns in the next 2, 3, 4 years. But again, you must have that long-term view. If you're looking for quick riches, you know the result always. We know how it ends. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know what your thoughts are about crypto prices right now and what you're doing about it. If you're investing, if you're not, if you're staying off, let me know what you think, guys. See you.